Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Looking for anything particular tonight?
Well, video games, but I found them.
Yeah, I don't even know what, my husband just went in, I don't even know what else in there. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, bad, thanks.
Small stuffed animals, $1.
Dad, who do you like better, Eeyore or Piglet?
That's a good question.
I feel like you're gonna say Eeyore.
I think Eeyore is kind of funny.
This animal's a dog. Okay. I like those, but I like Tigger the best.
Tigger is the most energetic and fun for sure.
Look at this dog. I guess. Oh, Dad.
Wow.
Oh, I have that. I'm gonna come over here, cause I mean.
Oh, Beanie Babies.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. I kind of want to take every single Beanie Baby and then bring it home and show Callie.
She'd love that.
Oh,
She does love the Beanie Babies. Nerf. A lot of Nerf. Rock the 80s, huh?
Like, how do they not know how to do that?
Do what?
Get rid of the Beanie Baby. How do they know how to do that?
Oh. Oops, throwing things on the pan.
Beanie Babies are like that.
I mean, people maybe get tired of playing with them. Oh, that's cool. You can control them.
Best thing about having a nephew.
How much is this stuff?
I'll take 4 for all of it.
Okay. Do you have any more video games?
I don't think so. I think if they are, they're in those bins because
I'll check it out.
it's my brother-in-law. But
Here's a 5 if you got
yeah, I'll
both
get you a
back.
change.
Oh, what's all this stuff?
Different things, mostly makeup.
This likes makeup. It's all new?
Yeah, nothing. My sister gets that is in a makeup club or something.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it? I have 50 cents for the items in this bag? I know, I'll pick them up in a minute.
Do you have a bag for those?
Sure.
Okay, cool.
What if I just, how much is just everything in this bag? Then I can use this bag if I just wanted to buy the whole thing out. 1, 2, 3.
5?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Then I have a bag.
Perfect.
Perfect. Oh, that my wife would like too. Root magic?
Yeah, my sister got the wrong color. This one comes out, but she
Okay.
didn't even use it.
Dark blonde.
Yeah, it's apparently this, but
Yeah.
it was her wrong color. She didn't even know.
Gotcha.
So
How much is that?
$2.
Yeah, we'll try it. At that price, it's not a big risk.
Right?
There you go.
I need to use it, but it's the wrong color for me.
Oh, old iPod Shuffle. Those were fun. Is there a lot of people doing yard sales in this neighborhood?
It's supposed to be community, so yeah, it's supposed to be multifamily.
Okay.
So we go back. The real good news is it's limited number of streets, but
Okay.
yeah, the whole community. So anybody who wants. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to do balloons around here, so
Huh.
you just kind of have to drive and see who's got
Okay.
stuff out.
Huh. Interesting. No balloons.
Yeah, I know, right? My parents' neighborhood, that's all they ever do. Is balloons.
Yeah. Interesting. Never used a bathing suit. Find anything you like, Anna?
I want the whole thing.
How much are your Beanie Babies?
I think you selling them at $1.
You know, enough for the whole bin.
I want the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole bin.
I want it, yeah. I like the platypus. I have a
She
big
has.
version
She
of
has
them.
that one, right? Right, Anna. You have the platypus.
Yeah. Well, no, we don't have the Beanie Baby. We have the Beanie Zoo.
Oh,
Like the
What's that one? The big with the big eyes?
the big eyes. Yeah.
The big eyes?
Yeah,
Okay.
the big eyes one.
I'm still learning them all.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
only have nephews, so.
One. Ringo. Like, Eli and Kelly both have this one, so I gotta get it so I can have one too. And then, maybe
That's a cool pencil. Look at this pencil,
they
Anna.
don't have headbutt. Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
The only one they don't have is headbutt.
Headbutt. Oh. The Leapster. I don't know if you
cool.
throw in the games
Yeah.
that are in there.
Oh, sure. Absolutely.
I think that's actually the case for that, but there's also
Is
a
it?
game in there. Yeah.
Probably is.
1, 2.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Anna, you gonna keep looking? I'm gonna go next door and look at their stuff.
2, 3,
Anna, you only have $5.
4, 5,
$1 piece.
26.
I'll be right over here. How much is this?
I don't know. I had no idea. That was Amy's.
30 bucks.
30. Did you 20 on it?
25.
Oh, you're meeting in the middle?
I don't know. I'm thinking. Oh, these are cool. Converse. You figure out what you're doing yet? Just getting one?
Yeah.
Is that the one he just got last night though?
Yep. We have 2. I know, we're gonna have 3.
Okay.
What? We
That's
all
fine,
need
yeah.
to have one. We have to get every single Beanie Baby.
3 times.
Yeah, 3 times.
Gotcha. Seems like a good investment.
Times. You
3
have to get
kids.
change? I'll get you the change. 1 second.
Alright, anyways. This a Nerf? It's a Nerf for nothing.
Whoa. Binoculars. Wait.
That is cool. $5.
Nest. Whoa.
There's some more stuff. Ping pong. Ooh, that's a cool car, huh,
You
Anna?
can get a treadmill. Or you can get that thingy. You can get a ping pong table.
Not quite.
Hot chocolate. It doesn't look like hot chocolate. 2 units. Air fresheners. I think it's cool.
Ooh, what's that?
That's a like Nerf gun. Oh, that thing? That's a bike. That's a pretty cool bike.
You know what it kind of looks like? It looks like a car or a motorcycle.
Yeah. How much are your guys' shoes?
You want those shoes?
10 each? These ones are cool. Yeah, a lot of shoes.
Of course you do.
Yeah, I do too.
You do 40 if I do all this? $5 off?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. That's cool. Don't break it.
You got this and it's metal. And then it goes
Here you go, man.
back.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
No.
All right.
Put it back.
Now go check out. There's another one right there. There's a bunch of sales here. Morning. How are you?
Good idea.
Pretty good.
Looking for anything particular tonight?
Well, video games, but I found them.
Yeah, we, I don't even know what, my husband just went in. I don't even know what else in there.
Yeah. Got the PS3, the i.
Bugs.
It's rarely been used. I can testify that.
Yeah, we all imagine we're gonna use them, and then life is too busy.
That's right.
If I want to spend $50 on it. Nashville. Ask me about my T-Rex. The T-Rex. Some heavy duty boots. What's what? It's a little tripod. Tripod to hold a camera. This thing. What is that? I don't know.
I know, you haven't seen that.
I don't know.
Puppy.
Men's 34. Women's. You think you'd take 30 on this box of game stuff or no?
Yep.
Yeah?
I would.
Yeah, okay. I'll do it.
Awesome.
There you go.
Perfect. Good. I'm glad I got a home for somebody.
Yeah.
Is that box okay? Like
That box is
okay.
fine.
Okay.
I'm still thinking about these cat shoes though. I think I'm gonna do them.
Sure.
Those ones there.
They're. Did you see the size on them?
I was gonna do those ones.
Oh,
in the box?
Sure.
Yeah. I guess I could do those ones too. Would you take 5 on the boots too?
Yep.
Okay. You just want it gone.
I know. I do. Yeah.
Yeah.
And those ones, I have to use a different kind for work now.
Okay. Cool. So you can just put this all in the box and then Anna, you wanna grab these boots?
Such things as spin controllers.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Just sign the Zumba stuff. That I do.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.
Cool. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah. Good luck with your sale.
Yeah, thank you.
Anna, they got diapers?
Nope.
Those are actually free.
Yeah. A lot of sales this morning.
Yeah, our whole neighborhood
Yeah.
is doing it, so there should be some
Bunch of little stuff.
lots of places to go.
John Adams. I never watched this one.
It's a good one.
How much are your DVDs?
$1.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll try it out. Did you ever get your house solar powered? Didn't work out, huh?
Never actually read the book, I don't think.
Yeah, I did. I haven't touched the book.
What are these?
These are my wife's artwork.
Cool.
Actually, she's Lindsay Kay,
Oh,
and she does flowers and
wow.
birth flowers.
Yeah? They're cool.
I think some are prints, but there are some originals in there.
Wow.
I made you a bowl of cereal. It's on the table, and you take the cup of milk and you pour it.
I think Mom would probably like those.
I poured it in for her.
You know?
And I poured myself.
But she's not here.
And I
Sorry,
poured
there's booby traps everywhere.
I see that. Transformers.
Does your family have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, yeah. We do. We go picking. We go shopping, yeah. Yeah. I'll do these two. $2. Do you have change, or I have dollars in my car if you need them? But if you
Change for a 5.
okay. If you'd rather, I can
Not
go
very
get singles.
Dad,
Okay.
what did I have?
Go ahead.
That wasn't your money. That's
morning.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. When we have the yard sale, the neighbor kids bring their stuff to our house and sell it. The Dirt Devil, that's classic. Yeah, just be like, hey, bring your toys over. What do you think, Anna? You need a Dirt Devil?
Yeah. That's
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, it's yeah, you got from work. It's got too many coolers lying around.
These things are heavy duty, huh?
Yeah, they'll keep it cold. They're great for like a boat or something.
Yeah. Well, I got my camper. I just got.
Oh yeah.
Kind of cool for when we go camping.
How come these look so real?
They are real. Eat a couple.
No, like the purple ones.
No, don't eat.
No, the purple ones look the most real.
Yeah, anything in here,
That's
make
cool.
an offer if you want it.
Okay. Let me see what else you got first. All right, I'll do 50 bucks on the Kia.
You can have the emblem plate on the back for 50 bucks.
The steel umbrella. We got one of those, and then every time it was windy, it would just go flying, and I got really sick of it really quickly. It was very frustrating. Yeah, I want this. I just don't know if I want it for 20.
15?
What do you think, Anna?
You get what you want to.
All right, I'll do 15 on it. I think it's cool.
Deal done.
Dealing and wheeling and dealing.
Dorman branded one.
I know. Yeah. So what is Dorman?
That's the company I work for. We make auto parts.
That's
you'll
neat,
see
though.
them in like AutoZone, O'Reilly, Napa, Advance, like in the front room.
Okay, cool. Yeah, look at that. It's like custom.
Yeah.
That's neat.
One of a kind.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Another crazy sale, or set of sales today. I went during, okay, so this is an interesting thing. Maybe I shouldn't tell you. I went during this was during the 100-mile yard sale, the 100-mile garage sale up in Lynchburg and in Virginia and all that. And I didn't go because I felt like it was going to be really crowded and I didn't want to go up. So instead I yard saled here, and I don't think I saw any other flippers all morning. Like, it was crazy. All these sales, I was like, first of all, I wasn't that early. I was getting there like right when they started, like 7:10, 7:15, and all the way up till 8, and there was just no one competing with me. It was weird. It was awesome, but it was weird. You know, so I wasn't in a rush. Like, I'm sure I probably stressed a couple people out when I bought, when I asked about the Nest thermostat, and then I turned around and walked away to check on Anna and came back. There was just no one else there, so I wasn't worried about someone else buying it. Bought that thermostat, sold it like instantly for I think 90 bucks, $89.99. Bought a PS3 there, PS3 Slim, sold that instantly for 140 bucks. The PS Move I've got listed now for around 80 bucks because the little Move controllers and the Eye and all that, they still have a lot of good value because people use them for PSVR. So, you know, just those couple of items. The shoes, those Converse, 50 bucks. The Fila's, 30 bucks. I mean, it was just some crazy finds. My wife went through the makeup. She kept a lot of it, but the stuff she listed ended up being another 40 bucks worth of makeup. Got that little hair thing to change your root color. Looks like that goes for around 15 to 20 bucks. So some plushes, you know, some weren't worth money. Some were kind of hit and miss. You know, I just like plushes, so I buy them. But some were decent. I think I got a few that were worth 20 bucks in there. Oh, and yeah, and after all that, the PS3, the shoes, the Nest, everything, I just grab a Yeti cooler for 15 bucks. It's like $150, $200 cooler, 15 bucks. I mean, it's just, that was a crazy set of sales. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see what everything sold for, check out the NC Flipper channel. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you subscribe, NC Picker. See you next time.